Most people work hard for money, but only a few make their money work for them. Whether you are in the US, UK, or Norway, the rules of wealth stay the same. Today, on Action Asset, we're breaking down the 5 golden rules of personal finance to help you hit your first 100K. Rule number 1. Master your cash flow. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20%, the most important part, for savings and investments. If you can't manage $1,000, you won't be able to manage $1 million. In countries like the US and Australia, credit card debt is a wealth killer. If you're paying 20% interest on a card, no stock market gain will save you. Pay off high-interest debt first. It's a guaranteed 20% return on your money. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Whether it's the S&P 500 or a high-yield savings account in Germany, starting early is more important than starting big. Time is your greatest asset. Life happens. Before you jump into crypto or real estate, have 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a liquid bank account. This isn't an investment, it's insurance for your peace of mind. Never depend on a single source of income. Start a side hustle. Invest in dividend stocks or look into REITs. Action Asset is all about turning your active income into passive assets. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Which of these rules are you starting today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Action Asset for more smart money moves. See you in the next one.